I went carp fishing today after a long time. This place is Dobu River. It's raining a bit, but it doesn't matter to the fish. Look over there, they are eating the bait. Chomp chomp 3 of them. No, there's actually 5. There's some more in the back and this side, so 5 in total at least. Even with a modest estimate, there's 5 of them. I'm sure there's more of them. Probably more that are diving. I'm going to throw the bait into that group now. Just a moment. Well, it's only one, just one. Going to kill one blue one. It's raining today and there's a lot of water dripping, so I'm hoping the bait will flow in plenty. Probably going to gather, always more than usual. It's always been 1 or 2. But today it's a bit lively. I'm here to fish with this child. Just a bit more, just a bit more. Let's prepare it slowly. The bait is bread. This is something humans can eat. Bread carp can also eat bread because they can eat this bread. If you throw this bread over there where the carp are flocking, dig it. It'll bite with one more shot. From now on, I'm going to finish it. I'll finish it with one shot. One shot. Alright, let's go. I'll finish you with one shot. Oh, it went to a good spot. It's coming, it's coming. Yes, 8. 8. Come on, let's go. I'll finish you off with one shot. It went to a good spot. Come on. Come. Come. Hey, 8. 8. Come. Big one. Okay. Come on. Big one. Resist and face it. Woo. It's huge, this one. It's huge. Woo. I can't open it at all. I'm not losing anymore. It's so heavy. It's heavy. Huge. This is crazy. It might be a legendary one. I have to hold it. A legendary roar. It's been a while since I've had one this big. Oh, now it's going down. Good. Go down. Good, don't come here. Somehow they're trying to make the line appear on the water surface. Good. Do it. Surface. Same as a submarine. When a fish is surfaced, it's a defeat. Just like a submarine, surfacing means surfacing in front of an enemy. Happily, be happy because it's equal to happiness. Be happy, fish. I'll save your life if you're happy. Woo! Oh, it's big. This is really big. Crazy. Super big. I shouldn't have used such light gear. I needed a stronger one. A reel for shore jigging. Oh, I did it all over the place. Good. Maybe I did it. Chuff, alright, surface. Surface. Good luck.
If you can't do this, don't overdo it, don't overdo it. Huge, huge. Okay, 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 over here and here, over here and here. Go, go, go. It's hard to communicate with right tackle. One more time, go through here, go through it. It's huge, it's already a fierce opponent. Fight to the death. Seriously, this is a fight to the death on the side of Dobu. It's a battle with pride, and it's not a bug, but if you do it, it's huge. Bug-chan Yoshibakimon, it's like a big thing, and this, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yoshi, this is for breathing air, so it's good to suck in air and scatter it. Wow, wow, Yoshi. It's huge, it's huge. It's a little different from what I've been fishing here so far, and it's really huge, huge, huge. I think I'm going to get into the Tamo, and 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 I'm going to get, yikes. Look, oh my gosh, I can't help it, so I'm going to grab it by the tail and take it in. Let's go. A little more Yoshi. It's a lot more out of position of the measure. If you measure this properly, it will exceed the meter. It will be clear. It is obvious. Compare it with this photo. Meter over. Take this meter over and on. There's about 105 centimeters over the meter, so this is it. It's definitely over the meter. It's true. Don't ignore this card. I can't believe that such a size like Batemon is in such a fucking small place. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. Magimon on giant carp. This is probably not going to go in. I mean, maybe like this, maybe like this. There's no way I'm going to get in. This is amazing. Ah, thank you.
Look at this kingly piercing as expected swing swing. Whoa, this belly is incredible, full of eggs, isn't it? Is it like a scrambled egg? Should I let it go? It's possible to eat love, but it's like, when it's dirty like this, I can physically eat what remains. Even if I eat it, it's not tasty, right? It showed me a good fight. Let's let it go. Love is always released. Thank you, love. This is bad. Bad, bad, terrible, incredible, wow. Good fight. Look at this face. Look. Wow, I have a belly like this. Wow, this is what they said. Wow, sorry. Yes, yes, it's escaped. Thank you. It was a good fight. I want to do it, but this is impossible. This type... My mouth will split from its weight. It's enormous. This mouth, wow. Whoa. Raise the fist in a victory pose. Thank you, Lord. This guy is absolutely Lord, right? This large one is absolute Lord, Lord. I'll let you go. Thank you. I brought a net for sea fishing. The one from earlier doesn't fit in the net. Release is also irregular. Let's release it with this net. Okay, it's incredibly heavy. Can barely hold it with one hand. It's so heavy. How many kilos does this thing weigh? It's a huge quantity. Okay, okay. Thank you, it was a good fight. Lord, hey Lord. Lord is out. Lord isn't over there. Okay, okay. Look, Lord is hooked. The branch is hooked. Okay, yes. Thank you, Lord. Thanks, I've got another one. I might go try to catch another one. I mean, I could, but the boss caught one not too long ago, so I'm wary of that. Might be a bit impossible, but I'll try for another one. There's one further back there, so I'll try to drop one in front of me. Should I go or come or eat it? I'll go right up front from over here. Alright, let's go. Okay. If I drop it in front of me quickly, I'll eat it. Good job. Alright, one shot. Take that. Huh? Yikes, yikes. Oops. It's quite wild, isn't it? Running around. Show your face. Look. Alright. Show your face. Alright, alright, breathe in.
This one's better. If you breathe in, it's definitely better. It's nothing compared to the scary one earlier. Its face is quite dark, isn't it? What is this? Oh, there are more seeds there. Alright. Alright, alright. Keep in mind. Huh. Compared to earlier, it's Junior's face. It's Junior. Alright, wait, let me drop it. Alright, I said I wanted to escape, and I let it go. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Today is pretty active because of the rain, isn't it? I managed to get the second one. The second one came. But it's probably impossible now. They'll scatter. I should go home. Yeah, I'll go home. Got one from the boss. Got Junior. I'll head home.
There's a voice there. Does it react when you feed it? Reaction center. Taruka. King. Misbite. Oh, eat. I'm trying to eat. Okay, suck it in. Alright, fish. Okay, it's a good idea. Okay, it took a while. Yikes. Yikes. Okay. Hey, yikes. Ooh, yikes. Wow. Yikes. 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 Painful. Oh, don't be violent, sis. I'm fine, this guy. I'm pretty energetic. Alright. Wow. Hey. Wow. Okay, breathe air. Okay, I breathe the air. Oh, I still have a lot of spare power. Okay, it's been a long time. Wow, this guy is also belly grubbing. Belly bonbon. It's been a long time. Speaking of pearls and landing. Good luck. Got it. Yikes. Good luck. Huge. Okay, come today. Here we go again, really. My mouth is bleeding a little. Sorry. It's kind of red here, when you hurt. But I let it go. Thank you. It's about 7-0. Let it go. Okay, get out. Yikes. Thank you. On the way back, I walked here and I saw a carp there and I wanted something. Somehow I was conscious of the surface of the water and tried to bite into the things that were flowing. I thought I might be able to go somewhere, so I threw a loaf of bread and ate it. Today I killed 3 giant carp. After all, is the activity higher on rainy days? Will it make you less vigilant? I'm not sure, but rain is good. No, but I'm a little soaked and cold right now. Kappa is not wearable, Rain Bear is not waterproof, and the pants are soaked and uncomfortable. Also, my shoes are sticky, and I feel really bad right now. Well, it's okay because I brought a monster with me, but I'll endure it. The limit of my patience. Guys, too, turn on the rainy sun, really. The wind and the drenching of the cold. Be careful, really. Well then.